welcome back to my channel. Today's video we are going to be doing a vision board on my debt-free journey, and it's going to include everything in my life, but it's really mainly going to be about financial freedom. So I got this black board, and I went to the grocery store and I got this meditation book, and it had some inspiring things on here, and I'm gonna draw some things on here. I cut out some pictures and things that inspire me. I'm not gonna use this, and some quotes, and how you can make things work for your life. I found pictures of kids because I have one baby, but I want to have more. And then that, and then I made my own little check. So, and I'm going to be doing some type of drawing on here. So the first thing I'm going to do is try to organize where I want everything to go on the vision board, so I can know where I can decorate and draw. So I'm going to show you that now. Alright, so this is what my vision board is looking like. These are the pictures that I am working with. So, I think I want to have and this all has to do with my finances. I'm going to cut this down a little bit more. So, with the kids' meditation and everything, I'm going to put, of course, these kids here. And I'm taking this out because I don't want to use this. I think I want to use this right up under here. And I know I want to put this at the very top. I'm going to just straighten it out how I want it to be. Put this here. So I'm going to go back. This is my little fake check I made, and this is a quote. And then I think I'm going to go back through this book and find some more things to cut out, and then I'm going to add it to the vision board. Okay, so this is what I have so far. I want to have my main focus is my kids. I say plural because anything can happen, but my main focus is Amare. I want to make my business and being a mom work for my life. I want to get paid by Google AdSense. I want to pay my car off. I want to network more. I want to read more about finances and growing my business. I want to be calm and happy with my life. And I want to meditate more than what I do. So let's get this tape down, and then I'm going to add more words. Okay, so I've got everything taped on here, and I'm going to draw the little squiggly lines connecting everything together. And then after I connect everything together, I'm going to use the colored pencils. I'm going to use the colored pencils so that I can write like mindful statements, like what I really want to do on the side. So let's get into it. Alright, you guys, so with the lady that is holding the book, she's reading it. This inspired me to put this on the side, growing my business through reading about finances and growth. I feel that reading and studying is the best thing we can do for our business and getting out of debt, you know, leading to financial freedom. I think that was the best thing for me to put right there to motivate me to stay focused on my goals. The next thing is the check. So the check, that's me manifesting monetization from YouTube. And if you have been following me on my debt-free journey, then you would know that I started out with $10,000 worth of debt. So I put $10,000 as being paid for me, well, paid to me. Here, that's the car. That is part of the debt that I have, and I want to pay that off as well as my personal loan, but I'll come back later and add that personal loan there. As for this center photo, this photo is the energy that I want to have all 2020, which is to be peaceful and have happiness. Also, being debt-free will help with that. Alright, so the next photo is the one with the kids, and I want to spend more time with my daughter, Amare, and go on more adventures with her. If, you know, everything goes as planned, I'll be debt-free next year, and I'll be able to spend all that time with her. And I'm sorry, you guys, that little slide slipped away super fast, but it was a lady meditating on the floor, and I really want to try to meditate at least 3 times a day as a goal to help manifest these debt-free journeys to be completed, to keep a handle on my finances. And the last one with the black lady with the nice afro, it said network, and I want to network more so that I can learn how to help others help me become debt-free. I added, you know, about my personal loan. Also, if you guys didn't know, I also have a debt-free journey payoff plan that I created here on my channel, and I will link it above and in the description box so you guys can check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to give you guys a full view on everything that is going on here. I also forgot to tell you guys what these quotes say. So the one that we're looking at now is mainly about kids and how it's important to help them meditate so they can be happy. When they're playing, they're using their mindful thinking. And here, the other one before that was about mindfulness, is simply being aware of what is happening right now without wishing it were different. And I do struggle with that sometimes, so I need to start living in the moment and stop stressing about what I want and claim it as if it is so. So if you guys have already subscribed to my channel, then you guys will find out later on that I only have 2 debts left to pay off, and that I am halfway there. So this is what it's looking like. Alright, you guys, let me get a little bit closer. So, basically this is what I have on my vision board. So it's a lot going on, but it all has to do with financial freedom. You know, in order for me to be financially free, I have to pay this personal loan off and this car payment off so it can be mine. So I'm excited about it. I'm excited about next year reading more books and growing and expanding Courtney and Amare. I'm excited about getting monetized by YouTube. I'm excited about paying this car and that personal loan off. I cannot wait to share with you guys in the November budget how much I have left, but that'll be my next video. And then I want to, you know, I wanted to put this picture. If I had a picture of me, I would have put me here, but I wanted to have a picture that meant like happiness and being peaceful, because that's what I really want in 2020. I want to learn how to network more. I'm actually in the e-brand club, so I'm actually networking with more people. I want to spend time and love on Amare as much as I can while she's young, because she's going to be 4 next year, and I want to meditate more and effectively. I can't read the quotes right now from right here, but that's basically what this vision board is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because we are going to be debt free for sure in 2020. So be sure to subscribe to our channel. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up. Leave comments down below and subscribe to our channel. This is my vision board.